Taking a look at today's energy markets, let's look at WTI crude futures as they're realizing further selling pressure today. Crude futures trading lower 6 of the last 7 trading sessions now, and today's price action has the futures market trading down to a 3-week low, currently priced at 72.80, so down over 2%. We did see an intraday low of 72.38, so just off the intraday lows, hovering right around or just below that 73 handle. But again, trading down to the lowest level here really since just the beginning of the year, effectively. So with the further selling pressure, WTI continues to come off of those highs that we did see just a few weeks, well, I guess a week and a half ago before the selling pressure started to initiate itself. And driving factors today, a couple of things. Number one, data out of China overnight, particularly manufacturing data coming in below expectations. So I think that had an impact from a global perspective. Couple that with also the information that's continuing to unfold here in the equity markets and really have an impact across various asset classes. And that's technology advancements in AI that could impact the pricing structure in some of the equity markets, particularly the tech sector. And we're seeing heavy selling pressure in certain parts of the equity markets, and I think that's leading to a risk-off mentality from a global perspective, and commodities under some pressure as well today. So looking at energy here, WTI now coming off those little over 4-month highs that we did see a week and a half ago before this selling pressure has initiated itself, and now we're trading back down close to where we just started the year, just about a 1.5% above those levels with today's selling pressure. And across the board, we're seeing energy down across the board, with nat gas down 7% today. But heating oil as well as RBOB under some pressure here as well. So selling pressure really across the entire commodity space. WTI now trading lower for a 6th session out of the last 7 and trading down to a 3-week low.